Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Now, there is a sharp division in Nyanza of Azimio leader Raila Odinga's plan to join President William Ruto's broad-based government. Siaya Governor James Orengo has vehemently opposed the planned government of national unity, terming it a disaster and abomination. But Raila's elder brother and Siaya Senator Dr. Oburu Odinga has opposed calls for removal of President Ruto, saying it could lead to a resurgence of unconstitutional changes in government and plunge the country into turmoil. Bramwell Bwire with the details.
It has been weeks of political unfoldings, with Kenya political bigwigs holding series of private and public meetings aimed at finding a way forward for the under-fire Kenya Kwanza government. Much focus being on the decision by Azimio boss Raila Odinga to join President William Ruto in a dialogue that will eventually lead to government of national unity. Siaya Governor James Orengo argues that joining President Ruto will be suicidal.
I'm saying, me as James Agri Orengo, putting aside even my position as a governor, that justice must be done. We cannot kill our people, and the time when we are mourning them, we are looking for officers. That cannot happen. We must first deal with injustice before we can deal with the questions that arise out of that injustice. So I'm praying that Kenyans will listen to the voices of mothers like Mother Kevin to see that justice is done.
Kisumu Deputy Governor Matthew Willie argues that Governor Orengo holds a personal view, but once the party proclaims itself on a matter, then that becomes the position of its members.
Ruto is taking us into a sinking ship. And I'm urging everybody that joining Ruto is a disaster, is an abomination. It cannot work. When we say Ruto must go with all his people. The entire government must go. Nobody is going to remain there.
One of the leaders may have had an opinion, maybe saying, oh, we are not going to dialogue. Okay. Even Jacom himself was on record as saying we are not going to dialogue. But Jacom subscribes to the ideals of the party, that is ODM. That's the party that he leads. And the moment he sits down with the team and people put their opinions on the table, then it is the majority opinion that carries the day.
However, Clifford Obiero, a political analyst in Kisumu, feels that the difference in statements by Odinga and his close ally Orengo is just a tactic to distract the followers from the real issue.
The thing they're trying to do is, it has already happened at a personal level between Baba and Ruto. They're trying to look at an opportunity when there is going to be some soft landing. The environment is still so hostile for that to happen with the Gen Z's wave and the millennium unfolding. So to me, I can tell you for sure that it has happened. Whatever Orengo and team are trying to do is to divert an attention so that people could believe that it has not happened. What is happening is just a normal meeting or kind of whatever. There is no normal meeting between politicians who are insulting each other the other day.
Whether this sharp division will shape the political discourse of the region or not, only time will tell. Bramwell Bwire, KTN News.